guys, welcome to my channel. To prep my skin, I first start off by priming my face using the Amazing Cosmetics Illuminating Primer, and I'm in the shade Bronze, you guys know this. And I'll also be using the Amazing Cosmetics Anti-Aging Face Primer, and I like to mix these two primers together because I like the way it gives my skin a nice dewy glow. And once my face is primed, I then like to move on to my brows, and I really enjoy the Sigma brow pencil, so that's what I'll be using to fill my brows in. And if you guys haven't checked out my natural brow tutorial, make sure you guys check it out. I will leave it in the card section above right now, as well as down in the description box, so that way you guys can check it out if you're interested. Now, after my brows are carved out, I like to reach for my Clinique Beyond Perfecting 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, and I like to use the shade Cream Caramel. Sometimes I use Cream Caramel, sometimes I use Ginger. It really just depends on the time of year. And I only apply concealer underneath my eyes and just a little around my mouth. And to blend my concealer out, I'll be using my dampened beauty blender. Once all of my concealer is blended out, I then like to go ahead and set my concealer using my Laura Mercier translucent powder, which is a holy grail in my makeup routine. Midway through, I like to set my face before I move on, and I like to use the Scandinavia Bridal Spray. I've been using it for a while now, and I'm obsessed with how it performs. Now, with my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, I like to use the banana shade from this palette to set underneath my eyes for a brightening effect. To bronze my face, I'll be using my bronzing palette, and I use the bronzer to contour my face instead of using like a cream contour or a liquid contour. Going back in the same bronzing palette, I just like to pop a shade on my lid for a nice transition shade. And And I also use that same shade on my water lash line. To highlight, I like to use my Sigma Chroma Glow Shimmer Highlight Palette. I absolutely love this palette, you guys. And I like to use the first 4 shades, which are Peaceful, Bedazzle, Ambrosia, and Lush. I actually really like the way all 4 of these shades work together on my skin tone. They look really good and I love the highlight. Going back to my eyelids from the same palette, I'm just going to pick up Felicity, which is like a really pretty purple shade, and I'm just going to pop that directly on my lid. For my blush, I use Sigma Cora de Rosa blush, and it's a really pretty coral color, but you could use any soft blush for this look. This is the lip gloss from Becca Cosmetics. It is the Liptuative lip gloss. The last step is mascara, and that pretty much completes the look. Those are my 10 steps on how to get a really pretty soft makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps me out here on YouTube. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.